Hi, what's up guys? This is Anafan again. Welcome back to Learn with AP. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some tips on how to write good Bengali handwriting for total beginners. So, let's get started. If you're watching this video using phone or computer, chances that you should be able to do handwriting in Bengali easily within the next few minutes. This is almost recommended for people who are starting to learn Bengali using their phones, but it's okay if you're using your laptop or desktop PC as well. So, here are the tips. Tip number 1. Learn Bengali alphabet letters with an Android app. As a beginner in Bengali, you would love to know how to pronounce and write the alphabets. Therefore, I recommend the app Borknow to help master the Bengali writing process. The app may be designed for kids, but it's a great app for adult learners of this language as well. In the app, you'll be able to learn the steps on how to write in Bengali for each letter with the correct orders of every letter's strokes. Remember that this is very important practice and it will help your writing in the long run. Tip number 2. Writing Bengali on paper sheets. We need grid paper or cross-section paper sheets. You can buy notebooks with grid paper inside. If you have a printer at home, then download some printable grid paper sheets for personal use. You should use a square grid printable paper for the best part of this practicing. And this practice might take less minimum of things to buy, only paper and pens. It's also recommended to get gel ink pens for better effects. Tip number 3. Practice your handwriting in Bengali on a note app. In this step, I recommend to use Google Keep or any other inbuilt note apps on your phone which has a grid paper for practicing writing. As we are on a note app, you can start writing easily using the drawing or brush feature. If you want to make a good hook in Bengali letters, then choose to make a dot at the cursive point. Well, check it here on the letter Go. Also, check it here for the letter To. You can zoom the page for better adjusting your writing. It's the best option to write letters in their own grids. You can flexibly change your brush size for a suitable writing. Make sure your hand is not shaking during practicing. Tip number 4. So here are the tips for people who are on a PC. Handwriting using a mouse is not so viable because we're not good at handling mouse when handwriting or hand drawing. Therefore, if you're in a great budget, I recommend to get a digital sketch tablet or stylus pen with drawing tab. This may be around 10 to 25 bucks. Make sure this tab allows you to connect and transfer the sketches from the tab to the PC so you can store whatever you write. Well, as for the PC users, if you want to type in Bengali, check out my another video on how to type in Bengali on Windows 10 PC. As for people who are using Android, please do check out on how to voice type in Bengali from here. If you want to learn more words in Bengali for beginners, check out on 120 basic Bengali words from here. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.